What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Kickfix video. Of course, I got another unboxing for you guys. And here it is. I got this pair from Vinted. I think it's the first time I ever bought something off there. Yeah, this one was from a Dutch seller, so it got here pretty quick actually. Let me just take it out. I have already taken it out because I was too curious to look at them. A full orange box, but a nice oldie. Here's the front of the box. Air Max 1 Premium SP. It's the Eurochamp, and the rest of the size tag says light bone, black, anthracite. Color code is 314252001, and they are fully dead stock. If you'd like to know, I got these for 100 euros, and that's because this shit right here, the sole is cracked. Ain't no thing though. Let's go and fix that. And what a nice ass pair this is. Extra laces in there as well. Also the anatomical arch support. And the black laces here, even laced up. Not sure if it was done like that time, because in 07 I wasn't collecting Air Max yet, it was just skateboard shoes. But if you see that it has some oxidation or something, but you can see all the nipples right there. But yeah, this pair, it's the Eurochamp. It was part of a pack that consisted out of 3 Air Max 1s, also some 90s I believe, but those were not really, yeah, well, not special, but well known. I mean, oh damn, this leather is so buttery. Let me put the music down a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Alright. So yeah, 100 euros for these. I think it's an absolute steal. Of course they have to be swapped, but the materials on this pair are so nice. The leather on the quarter panel is mad soft. If you look at how it creases, you already know. And the swoosh and the mudguard is cracked leather. The toe box is perforated leather. The tongue is regular leather with some nice super shiny golden Nike Air branding on there. Then the color is black with grey stripes in there, and the pack was made for the Champions League. I'm not sure if they actually represented teams, I don't think so, but the team that won was AC Milan that year, 2007. So yeah, it's crazy actually that I could get these for that low. There is some old glue sticking out on the sides. I'm not sure if I can get that off because of the cracked leather. If I'm going to rub too much, I'm going to take off all the pieces of leather, and yeah, I don't really want that because it's gonna look like it's a little dirty, and it's not. It's actually pieces of leather missing, so it's not really that easy to fix. But yeah, it's such a nice pair. Look at that toe box.
Keep looking at me, I'ma spray some Lysol in your eyeball.
Shape wise, it's also a super nice shape. And to swap them, of course, you need some donors. Found some pinnacles on Vinted as well, but they were from a French shipper. And even though they are for a swap, pinnacle boxes are always nice and just good to use for other shits because they're sturdy. You can stack them up and take out the slide to get what you need. But this dude shipped it like this. So yeah, that's fucked up. I told him as well. But here are the kicks. The cream pinnacles. You're like, what? You're gonna use these to swap? Yes. I have a pair for myself, which are in really good condition, mint condition. Oh yeah, also he fucking threw in New Balance insoles. I'm not sure if there are Nike ones in. No, just New Balance insoles. But actually, I think if you put in a shoe tree and just decrease the toe box a little bit, they are not that bad. Look at that outsole, still has a lot of profile, even a couple of nipples. But this midsole will be perfect. I'm still gonna have to repaint it if I want to get the original color. But yeah, it's bone. Fortunately, bone is not a color you have to mix. You can just buy it and it looks 99% similar, which for me is alright. So yeah, I will swap these, and once they're done I'll show you guys and make a nice on foot and cinematic b-roll section for you. So I'm gonna get going and I'll see you outside.